This is the PDF of this book, the LEKKI Headmaster, which is a book for Jamb candidates. It's a book written by Kabe Alabi Galba. This is the PDF version of the novel. Many of you have gotten it from us. If you also want to get it, just watch this video to the end. I will show you how to get it. Let me just show you. We already have the book. This book is not yet available. It's not yet available in the market. You cannot see it, but we can send it to you. You can get it through me. I can send it to you. This is chapter 1, right? You can get it and start early to read. Remember that this book will be a critical part of use of English. You already know that use of English is compulsory. This is chapter 2. Use of English is compulsory. So if you don't read this novel, how then are you going to pass your use of English, right? Last year, a lot of students wrote Jamb, and over 70% scored less than 200. This is chapter 3, the migration tales, right? So you need to get this book and begin to prepare. Not just this book, you also need to start preparing with your other subjects. Jamb of this year is something you will need to take as seriously as possible. You need to take it more serious, whether you are writing it for the first time or this is your second or third attempt of writing Jamb, right? So this is the 4th chapter, a case of visa denied. Let's just be going. I will show you how you can get this book. It will not be free. I won't send it to you free. There is a token you will pay. However, just watch this video. If you want to get it, just share this video. There are 3 things you should do. Share this video, then like this video. Just boop the like button. Then come under this video and type, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. When you type, I have subscribed, I will now direct you. I will now send this material to you. So just share this video. Copy it, share on WhatsApp, on all the WhatsApp group you belong to. Share it also on all the Facebook group you belong to. Share it with your friends. Copy the link and share. Then come under this video, like this video, come under this video and tell me you have subscribed. Chapter 5, snake in the roof, right? We have made this book available for you. I hope you are seeing this. Chapter 6, are there as well as Jide comes versus come. Very interesting chapter. Okay. Okay, let's just be going. I want to show you all the chapters of this book. As you pay attention to them, remember we are doing a chapter by chapter summary. This is chapter 7. Ritually, a chapter by chapter summary of this book. So ensure you subscribe. When you subscribe, whenever we drop a new video, you will be able to watch. In our channel, we also have done a lot of past questions on Jamb, both on mathematics, physics, chemistry. If you also want to get the Jamb past question, if you want to get the Jamb syllabus, also just subscribe and type I've subscribed. We'll also begin early to guide you. The key, this is chapter 8, mission unaccomplished, not chapter 8. The key to passing Jamb, even WAEC and other subjects, is early preparation. That is why you need to get this book, LEKKI Headmaster, now and begin to prepare. There is no need to keep waiting. 9, laughing waterfalls. Chapter 9 is laughing waterfalls. Okay. I hope you can see the book. Chapter 10 is passport pains. Chapter 10 is passport pains. Right? I'm showing you the authentic book. Okay. Chapter 10 is what? I hope you have been noting the titles of the chapters as I was showing you. Okay, let's continue. Chapter 10 is passport pains. Chapter 12, is down. Down. Remember, go ahead right now, like this video, share this video, watch this video to the end, then come under this video when you have subscribed and type I have subscribed. When you type I have subscribed, I will now know you are serious and we can send you a copy. Remember also that it will not be free. So this is the last page of this book. So we have the complete page. Go ahead, type I have subscribed, and we will take it up from there.